water is rising! Wait, what was that? What was that? A giant crocodile! What was that?
Everyone, stay calm.
You're always making something.
Sometimes little things can be useful in big trouble.
What are you building?
A little boat. I think it might be useful.
What a lovely morning.
I love playing outside.
You never know when you might need a boat.
You really do think of everything.
Look at those clouds.
Do you think it might rain? The wind is getting stronger. I think we should go inside. The sky looks very dark. Let's get inside quickly. It's starting to rain. Let's hope it doesn't last long. The rain is getting stronger. Don't worry, we're safe inside. Whoa! That was a bright flash! Stay together, everyone.
The dam is broken!
Everyone, stay calm and stay together.
The dam is broken! The water is coming!
We need to stay together.
The water is coming inside!
Everyone, stay close together.
The water is reaching our feet! What are we gonna do?
Stay close together. I'll try to open the door.
Be careful, Mr. Pumpkin!
The water is too strong.
So we can't get outside? The water is getting higher. We need to find a safe way out. Wait, did you see that?
Everyone, step away from the window.
There's something in the water.
What is it? The eyes are coming closer.
Everyone, stay calm.
Something is coming!
Stay behind me.
There's a crocodile outside! How will we get away?
We have two problems, the flood and the crocodile.
Potato, where are you going?
I think I have an idea.
Look at all this wood! What are you thinking, Potato? We can build a big boat! A boat? In the school?
Can we really build it in time?
We can if we work together. All right, everyone, let's work together.
We'll build it as quickly as we can. Come on, everyone. We haven't got much time.
Hold this plank steady. I've got it. I'll pull the rope. I'll tie this barrel down. The water is rising.
Keep working. We're nearly ready.
It's holding together. We've built it. It's coming this way. The boat is ready.
Everyone, get aboard.
Everyone, look behind me. Oh no, it's back. Hold on.
Stay inside the boat.
The plank is coming loose. I'll hold it. What are you looking at? I think I found a way. What are you planning? Let's give it something to chase. Go on, follow it. It's working! It's moving away! Now is our chance. Everyone, stay seated. Let's get out of here. The river is enormous. Keep watching the water. Potato, what's that ahead? Something big is floating towards us. Look out! A huge tree! Everyone, hold on! Carrot, row to the left! Got it! Stay seated! That was really close, but we made it! The water is moving faster!
Stay seated and hold on.
Potato, look at the water! That's a huge whirlpool! Everyone, stay calm! We'll get through this!
We're being pulled in!
Keep holding on.
Row with me, Carrot! I'm rowing as hard as I can. The boat is spinning!
Hold tight. Stay calm.
Look, there's a gap over there. We can escape through it.
Keep going. You're almost there. Just a little more.
We made it out! Everyone worked together. Potato, look behind us! The crocodile found us again. The hill is just ahead! Then let's reach it!
It's catching us!
Stay calm. I have a plan. Lean to the right. So the boat will turn? Exactly.
Everyone, get ready. We're ready, Potato. 3.
It missed us! Potato, your plan worked!
The way is clear. Keep going, everyone.
We're safe!
We all made it!